Welcome to this tutorial on adding labels to files in the Prep tool. Labels are keywords assigned to a file. They help with searching, filtering, organizing, categorizing, and more. There are two ways to add and edit labels for files in the Prep tool. 1. During the file upload process, click the Add Labels option on the file uploading page. Then, enter the label names into the text input field in the File Label Input dialog box. You can add single or multiple labels to the files. After entering the labels, click Save to add labels to the files. 2. For existing files, click the plus icon below the file in the PDF document column on the dashboard. Then, follow the same steps as before to add labels. You can also search for files using labels in the Prep tool by applying filters. That's it. You've learned how to add labels to files in the Prep tool. Thank you.